This is a 2015 BMW M5 competition. It's going to come with 12 months MOT. It's got full BMW service history, including the important running in service. We're going to have a walk around and show the condition of the car. The colour is the special edition frozen blue from factory. It comes like this from BMW. Front tyres, rear tyres, they're all brand new Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. They're all going to be brand new. The alloy wheel condition, alloy wheels are mint. You've got ceramic brakes on all four corners. Again, we're just going to take a quick walk around it. So the benefit of this, it has the black exhaust tips on the rear. Private reg isn't included. You've got parking sensors front and back. 360 cameras. Adaptive LED headlights. I'm going to go into the interior in a bit, but the interior is individual black leather with blue piping. This is the passenger rear wheel. Again, Pilot Sport 4S. We've got soft closed doors, memory seats, heated seats, and the big ceramic brakes again. You've got the electric open and close boot on this, and obviously the most important bit, this is the 575 horsepower BMW. So I'm going to quickly go inside and show you some interior. Going on to the interior. Memory seats, electric. Got lumbar support. You've got a sunroof on this as well. Just for the benefit of the video, show you this soft closed door. And onto the rear. It's a beautiful car. It's absolutely mint, this car. It's been well kept. It's got minimal owners. It's not been molested. It's never been remapped. I think this is one of not many, I would say, M5s that haven't been molested. We've tried to keep it as standard as we can. So that's it. That's the 2015 BMW M5 competition for sale.